In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. We'll go through the full process inside the Zoom app, from opening Zoom and scheduling the meeting, all the way to copying the invitation and sending it to the person you want to invite. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where each option is so you can do it quickly and avoid sending incomplete meeting details. Start by opening the Zoom app on your device and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main Zoom home screen, where you can access your meetings and scheduling tools. Next, click Schedule to create a new meeting. This is where you'll enter the basic meeting information such as the date, the time, and any other details Zoom asks for. Take a moment here to make sure everything is correct before continuing, especially the meeting time, since that's one of the most important details for the person you're inviting. When everything looks good, click Save. After saving the meeting, go to the Meetings tab. This section shows your upcoming scheduled meetings. Find the meeting you just created and select it to open its details. This is the area where Zoom stores all of the information you'll need to share with someone, including the link they can click to join. Now click Copy Invitation. Zoom will automatically copy the full invitation to your clipboard. That usually includes the meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode. This is helpful because it means you don't have to copy each part one by one, and it reduces the chance of leaving out something important. Once the invitation has been copied, open the app you want to use to contact the person. You can paste the invitation into an email, a message in Messenger, WhatsApp, a text message, or another messaging app. After you paste it, send it to the person you want to invite. That's all it takes. By copying the full invitation directly from Zoom, you make sure the other person receives all the information they need to join the meeting without confusion. If you want to be extra clear, you can also add a short personal note before sending the message, such as letting them know what the meeting is about or reminding them of the time. This makes your invitation easier to understand at a glance, and that's how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting.